LifeLock Identity app, what is it? New buy now, pay later alerts now available in LifeLock Identity. It's dangerously easy for someone to steal your identity. Download LifeLock now and enroll right now from the app. So LifeLock make it easy to help you protect yourself against identity theft, financial fraud, and more. So yeah, interesting idea. Of course, Norton is one of the most popular antiviruses. And yeah, here you can just make sure that your identity and personal information online is actually safe. So you can just open up this app and then choose your plan, so you can see all of the options available, or you can just sign in here. You can create an account. So let's try to do it, see how it works. And then you need to create a new Norton account. And then you will just be redirected to the app. So yeah, you still need to create a LifeLock subscription to use this app. There is no free option, seems like that. So you can choose your plan, $10 per month, then $12 per month, 18 or 24. So even with a standard plan, you can see some identity SSN alerts, data breach notifications. So yeah, just to make sure that your personal data is not used anywhere in all of these like millions of apps and websites. And if you're seeing your data leaked somewhere, or you use some weak passwords, just or you have a lot of sensitive data, it can be useful to use this app.